Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Toyota Yaris faster. Start by improving airflow, trimming excess weight, and addressing basic grip and service items as first steps. Focus on maintenance first. Fresh spark plugs, a clean intake, and correct tire pressures will make a surprising difference. Small changes stack up, so prioritize reliability and test one change at a time to learn its real effect on driving feel and speed. Start with simple bolt-ons that work well on the Yaris: a high-flow intake, freer-flowing exhaust, and reduced intake restrictions. These items improve throttle response and recover a few horsepower without major engine surgery. Pair them with a short shifter and lighter flywheel only if you want crisper gear changes. Keep receipts and install parts progressively so you can track gains and maintain reliability while enjoying a livelier, more engaging daily. Consider an ECU tune next to safely optimize fueling and ignition timing for more usable power throughout the rev range. Complement power gains with suspension tweaks, sport springs, or mild coilovers sharpen handling without ruining comfort. Finish with a performance alignment for better turn-in and tire life. Always test changes gradually and monitor engine vitals, because balanced upgrades deliver the most enjoyable improvements without sacrificing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.